Hello sahabat English, welcome back to my video. My name is Ardin and in this video I'm gonna talk to you about two mistakes that you avoid when you start learning English. Do you want to learn English? If you want to learn English, you have to know the mistakes that you avoid because it blocks your mental and makes you not confident when you speak English. I discuss it because it is very interesting and important to share with you because when I started learning English, I did those mistakes every single day I learned it. And in that moment, my English progress fell down. And then when the teacher asked me to convey the presentation in front of class, I wasn't brave. Wow. And in this video, I will share it with you. And before, please support this channel by click subscribe, like, and comment this video because this video is very important and benefits to improve your English skills. Okay, let's get started. Mistake number one is you don't have encouraging speak in English. Okay, this is the most problem for everyone who wants to learn English. Like me when I was high school, in my classroom there were many students who could speak English. One of them is me. But I was different from them because when my teacher urged me to speak up in front of my classroom, I was nervous. You know that because I don't have encouraging to speak English. So we can overcome it by learning process. And finally, I searched in Google how to avoid this problem, and then I found it. So in this video right now, I use English to practice my English speaking, even though I'm not perfect indeed. Okay, the second one is mixing language. Mixing language is not good for English speaking. I've met one problem why we do that because we focus on grammar, right? And now I teach you don't focus on grammar but focus on speaking. At the time you speak English with your friends as well, try to use English entirety without use other language. For example, when I make a video, I use English and I use Indonesian too. This is very wrong, guys. So don't do them. Okay, thanks for watching my video and may this video will benefits to improve your English skills, and once again please support this channel by click subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video with your friends, and please wait my best video next time because I'll give you the best video, and we'll see you next time. See you.